Hello, what's up, all of my amazing viewers? Thank you so much for tuning in. I am your natural nail guru, and today we're going to go over a pretty quick video, but it's definitely one of the more important videos. I do lots of reviews and been doing a lot of reviews recently, but my main goal here is to really just share the knowledge that I have, what's helped me in improving all of my clients' natural nails, as well as giving them manicures that are lasting longer. And I want to share that with anyone that wants the information, whether you're DIY or professional. So today we're going to be going over manicure process. A little bit ago, I did a quick little video overviewing my manicure process. And now this hand is done, so we're going to go ahead and do the cuticle remover. Any little pieces of cuticle that were kind of left behind. Now I'm going to kind of break it down and take it step by step. So the first thing that I want to talk about, which is what today's video is going to be, is the type of manicure that you really should be doing regardless of the product that you're putting on the nail. So whether it is regular polish, gel polish, acrylic, anything like that, you really should be doing a waterless manicure. Now I know that's a touchy subject for some people because using water with manicures has been done since, like the beginning of times. Why is water used in the manicure? Essentially, you put your hands in water so that it can soften all the skin around the nail so that it's much easier and delicate to be able to push back and remove cuticle. Why do you not want to do water with your manicure? In you dipping your hands inside the water to soften the skin, your nail is also absorbing all of that water. And it takes up to 24 hours for your nail bed to completely dry itself of that moisture. So you're about to get your manicure done, you're soaking your nails for at least a few minutes in that water. Your nails are completely drenched. They're gonna be much more flexible. They're gonna be softer. They've expanded a little bit because of that absorption. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cap it with some product. What's really gonna happen in most cases is that within those first 24 hours, once the water starts drying out, I guess you could say, the nail plate's going to shrink a little bit and you're gonna start having lifting of the product that you put on, especially if it's like gel product or acrylic. And I would even say with regular polish already doesn't last that long. So you want to do everything you can to make sure that regular polish is going to stick really, really well to the nails. Now, giving your hands a quick wash is not going to completely saturate. You just want to make sure that you dry all around the cuticles, because sometimes we do a quick dry and water kind of stays around the nail plate. You want to maintain your nail plate as dry as possible so that you have a really, really good prep surface to give you the best opportunity for the product to adhere to. Now, how can you accomplish a manicure without water? If you've already seen my full manicure step, which I'll make sure at the end of the video we have it like at the end for the recommended, or some link somewhere that my sister's gonna get on there for you guys so you guys can check out my full process on how I do it. Instead of soaking the hands in water, I just use a cuticle remover. I put the cuticle remover on, it softens the skin, so by the time I go back, I push back, I remove. I'm able to accomplish what I need to accomplish, minimizing how much moisture I'm putting on the nail. I use a CND cuticle remover. I've done a review on Sally Hansen. Honestly, any cuticle remover that you use is going to help, and I'll be on the job making sure that I get the best cuticle remover reviews out to you guys. But use a cuticle remover. It's not expensive. It's gonna last you a lot of manicures. And then what I do at the end is I have a little bit of water in a spray bottle that I kind of spray and go ahead and remove any residue from the cuticle remover, because they're usually an acid base. Now that might have been a lot of information, but I get very passionate about this because it's really something that we should not be doing. Especially when we're putting product on our nails. If you're not putting any product on your nails, then I guess it really doesn't matter because your nails are gonna dry out. But if we're only using water to soften the skin, why not use something that's meant to soften the skin, that'll moisturize? At the end of the day, water draws out moisture from our skin, so it makes it even more dry. Let's ditch the water bowl. Let's start using the cuticle remover. Watch my video on my full manicure process so you can kind of get an idea of how it is that I accomplish it without that step. I promise you, you're gonna see a pretty significant difference in how long your manicure lasts. Now, there is a couple other things that you wanna make sure are on point to pretty much secure the best possibility for that manicure to last really good. But 9 times out of 10, if your polish is lifting and chipping within 2 to 3 days, it's usually because they're dipping your hands in water during the manicure process. So today we're only going to talk about that. I am going to be going over the next few steps in my manicure process in detail. Please make sure to check out my full mani process if you haven't already. And if you scroll down to like some of the beginning videos, I kind of went through these steps, so I'm revisiting it again. But if you want to just kind of skip back and check those out, definitely go for it. Anyone that has comments or questions regarding the process or concerns regarding it whatsoever, please comment down below. I would love to give you more information. I promise you it's gonna make a big difference. It's really gonna help. Your clients are gonna notice a big difference. I know that if your clients are used to a certain thing, it might be a little bit weird to change it and they might give you a little bit of pushback, but the more educated you are and the more you explain to them why it is you're doing what you're doing, you'll gain their buy-in and their trust to at least give it a shot. And hopefully they'll notice a difference right away. So definitely try it out. Comment down below if you have any questions. And as always, if you love reviews, want to know the best tips to improve your natural nail health, and just want to be in the know with everything that there is to know about the nail world, then this is definitely the channel that you want to stay tuned to. You want to share it with all your nail enthusiasts. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. There's lots to come. So thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope that this was helpful. I look forward to seeing some comments down below and answering some questions for you, and getting some feedback. I really appreciate it. So thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.